Want to quickly mute or unmute yourself during a Microsoft Teams meeting? In this guide, I'll show you how to control your microphone before and during a meeting, use keyboard shortcuts, and fix a few common microphone issues. So let's get started. First, when you open the Teams pre-join screen, look for the microphone button. Select it to turn your microphone off before entering the meeting. This is useful when there's background noise around you. If you want to speak as soon as you join, select the microphone button again to turn it on. Check the audio indicator or microphone status before selecting join, just to make sure the correct device is being used. Once you're in the meeting, move your mouse to bring up the meeting controls. Select the microphone icon to mute yourself. When you're muted, other participants won't hear your microphone audio. When you're ready to speak, select the microphone button again to unmute. You can then talk normally, and your microphone audio will be sent to the meeting. Just remember to mute again when you're finished. Teams also supports keyboard shortcuts for controlling your microphone. On Windows, you can use Ctrl, Shift, and M to mute or unmute yourself. In some situations, you can also press and hold the spacebar to temporarily unmute while speaking. If your microphone isn't working, open Teams settings and check your audio devices. Make sure the correct microphone is selected and test it before returning to the meeting. If Teams still can't hear you, check your computer's microphone permissions and make sure Teams is allowed to access the microphone. Also check your headset connection and system volume. These quick checks often solve the problem, and that's how to mute and unmute yourself in Microsoft Teams. Use the microphone button, try the keyboard shortcut, and check your audio settings if something isn't working. So now you can control your microphone without interrupting the meeting.